Howdy howdy howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the installation, Celulan Ave. It happens in the body of time where truth dances. From 2004, by the artist Ernesto Neto. Neto was born in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, in 1964. He is seen as the heir to the 1960s movement of neo-concretism. Celulan Ave is an example of his immersive sculptures that are often created out of nylon, styrofoam pellets, or crocheted net, among other materials. The installation was designed for the Museum Boijmans van Beuningen in Rotterdam and staged during the Brazil Contemporary exhibition in 2009. This work inspires me to think of ways to create installations in which the audience can participate. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.